Hey guys, this is Saurabh Nahar from AllAboutTechnologies, and if you guys follow me on Twitter, you know that I have the Poco F1 and I've been using it for the last 3 days now. So I decided to share my experience with you guys and my impressions about the device. And not just that, I know a lot of you guys have questions like why is it so cheap or how is it so cheap, and not just that, where are or which are the areas in which Xiaomi or Poco has done cost cutting. So I will talk about all those things in this video. So without wasting much time, let's start the video and watch the video till the end. Let's begin. So the first thing over here is design and build quality. Now in terms of design, if you look at the Poco phone, you can see that the design is very simple. It's not too complex or not too flashy or anything like that, like we see on the Huawei or Honor phones with dual tone and all that stuff. And even OnePlus 6 this time, they have done some different kind of finish with the glass. So that's a very cool thing, and that you won't really see on this device because it is a very standard looking phone, and this device is actually looking better compared to the other two variants, which will just have a polycarbonate back panel. So let me keep that in front of you guys, because they have given this unit, which is the armored edition unit, to all the YouTubers and reviewers, so that we don't really talk about polycarbonate much, because this one is coming with a Kevlar back panel. But then again, do remember that the other two variants will come with polycarbonate back panel, and they are 5 grams lighter compared to this variant, which is the armored edition. And not just that, that way, like those two variants are also 0.1 mm less thicker. So just keep in mind these three things. And it is slightly thicker, like on a thicker side, and also it is slightly on the heavier side. But then I don't really mind. If you see my videos, you know that I don't really mind thickness if you're giving me huge capacity battery, and that's what Poco has done with this device. They're giving 4000 mAh battery, and I won't really complain about the thickness and the weight because I don't really care about that. But the design is very standard, and it is not too fancy or anything like that. And even the build quality is just average. It's not the best or it's not the bad like build quality device. It is just in between. I have seen excellent build quality devices like Nokia 7 Plus and some other devices under 30,000 rupees. But yeah, I'm completely fine with design and build quality, and I won't really complain much because of the pricing, obviously. So that's the design and build quality, and this is one of the areas where Poco has done some cost cutting, which you can see. Now the next thing is that they have done cost cutting in display. Now I'm not saying that the display is bad or anything like that. The display is good, viewing angles are good, the display looks good while playing games and watching videos, and even outdoor visibility is good, no complaints. But I have seen better displays on devices like 5Z and OnePlus 6, obviously, because it comes with optic AMOLED display. In the 5Z it comes with the LCD panel, but that LCD panel is very good. So I'm not saying that it is bad, but those two displays are better compared to the Poco phone, and I feel they have done some cost cutting in terms of display. So this is the second thing. Third thing is marketing, which I'm completely fine. Like, they have done cost cutting here and I'm completely fine with that, because I don't really want them to spend money on marketing, because if they spend money on marketing, they will charge us more. So they are believing in word of mouth publicity, which OnePlus was doing with the OnePlus One, but then they just changed the route and they went into some other direction, like their parent company, which is Oppo and Vivo. So they are spending a lot of money on celebrities and all that stuff, but I just hope that Poco won't really get into that, and they will stick to like zero marketing budget at least. And even if they want to spend money, they can do that, but then we just want the phone which is like good and it is priced really well, and that's what Poco F1 is right now. So we just hope that they will continue this thing, and also they are just gonna sell it online. So that's the reason. That is also one of the reasons like why they can save some money, because companies like Samsung and other companies, smartphone companies who sell offline, they have to give it to distributors. Then those big distributors, they pass on to small distributors or wholesalers or whatever, and then they pass on to the retail sellers. So there is a lot of margin in between, and with Poco phone, they are just selling it on Flipkart and MI store. So Poco will make the phones and they will just sell it online on one particular store. So the margin will be less comparatively, and that is also one of the reasons why they are pricing it so well. So yeah, these are a couple of places where Poco has done some cost cutting, but apart from that, I feel this device is a very good deal in my opinion. I mean, I have been using it for the last 3 days, and I will talk about my experience right now. Like I have already talked about display and build quality. Now I'll talk about some other things. So let's talk about speaker. So the speaker is located at the bottom, and even the earpiece acts as a speaker. And I feel the speaker gets sufficiently loud, and it is good, and it is even better than the OnePlus 6, I feel. So that's a good thing. Apart from that, I feel that they have done a good job with the fingerprint scanner and the face unlock. The face unlock is extremely fast, and they have put in IR sensor, so it will work in low light and dark conditions as well. So that's not the case with OnePlus 6. Like they brighten up the display so that they can unlock the device. They don't have IR sensor, but this one is having IR sensor, so it will work in almost all type of situations, which is a very good thing, and it is exactly as fast as the OnePlus 6 in terms of face unlock. And not just that, even in terms of this fingerprint sensor, let me show you. Like the screen is off, I'll keep it like this, and you can see like the display is getting unlocked so quickly. It's really fast, it's very fast. So both these things are really good on this device. If we talk about the software, since we are looking at the software is MIUI, which we have been seeing for a couple of years now, nothing special, but they have installed a different launcher on this one, but you still get those features and customization options with this one, so that's a good thing. And they have also promised at the event that they will roll out at least one security patch update every quarter, so that is decent in my opinion, not very bad, because they are telling it openly. So if you have any issues with the security patch update, then you can buy some devices like Nokia devices, because they will roll out security patch update every month. But with this one, you will just get one security patch update every quarter. Now, apart from that, one good thing that they have done different from Xiaomi is unlocking the bootloader. So they will release kernel sources on 29th of August, which is the first day of sale, I believe. So if you want to flash custom ROMs and all that stuff, then I feel that this device will be one of the best devices for custom ROMs, because it is so cheap, and not cheap, I mean not in a way cheap, like in terms of device it is not cheap, in terms of price it is very cheap, and it's a very good offering. So I feel that there will be a lot of ROMs and development for this device. So if you're into that, then that's a good thing for you. Now next thing is performance. In terms of performance, I played PUBG. Like I played a couple of games, and even I was using this device without the case. I was not feeling the warmness, and the gameplay was obviously smooth. It comes with Snapdragon 845 processor, which is top of the line processor. I have the 8GB RAM model. So yeah, it was pretty good. Even with 6GB RAM model, you won't find any issues. RAM is just like number. I mean, it's good for multitasking, but performance will remain more or less same. And it also comes with UFS 2.1 storage, so that is also very good. So these were some of the things about the device. Now one thing which I have tested out like extensively, and the video will come very soon, I have compared the cameras of the Poco device with this OnePlus 6, which is like, they are the competitors, right? So I have compared the cameras of this device with the OnePlus 6, and I feel both the devices are very good. Poco is better in something, like, and then OnePlus is also better in few things. So you will get to know more about that in the camera comparison video, which is coming very soon. But one thing I want to say, that the front camera of this device is just amazing. You can take a look at some of the pictures that I've shot with the Poco F1 over here right now on the screen, and I feel that they have done a good job with the device. But sadly, there is no 4K 60 FPS on this device, so just keep a note of that if you are looking for 4K 60 FPS. It's not there, and they have not even given 4K video recording update for the Redmi Note 5 Pro, so I don't think so that will come to this device. I don't know, it might come in the future, but for now it's not there, and I just wanted to mention that. So guys, that was my experience and my initial impression of the Poco F1. Let me know what you feel about this device in the comment section. I feel that the 21,000 rupees variant and the 24,000 rupee variant will be a bit difficult to get. So if you can get that, well and good. If you don't get it, you will have to try in every flash sale. And do remember that those two variants, they will come with polycarbonate or plastic back panel. So if you want to know how it is in terms of build quality, like those two devices and how they look, just stay tuned for my video, because I might buy that device, because I have got F code. So I will buy that device, and if you want the F code, then I will do a giveaway on my Twitter on 28th. Yes, I will do a giveaway on 28th on Twitter. If you're not following me on Twitter, just go right now and follow me on Twitter if you want to buy this device. I will give away 2 F codes on my Twitter handle, so make sure you follow me on Twitter. You can see the Twitter account ID somewhere over here. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. It was a good experience to share my initial impressions or thoughts with you guys in this particular way. So if you want more such videos like these, let me know that in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a huge thumbs up. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications, because I will come with a lot more videos on this device, so you don't really have to miss these videos. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to follow me on all my social media networks. Links will be there in the description box. And guys, I forgot to mention one thing. I've not tested the battery much, but it's looking good right now, and it also comes with a fast charger, so that's a great thing. So yeah, that's it guys. This is Saurabh Nahar. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.